In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a device to the Strava app. Whether you're an avid cyclist, runner, or someone who just loves to track their workouts, connecting your favorite fitness device to Strava can help you centralize and analyze your performance data with ease. Imagine being able to seamlessly sync your runs, rides, or swims from your watch or tracker directly into Strava. It's a great way to keep everything in one spot and track your progress over time. Let's dive in and make it happen. First, you'll want to open the Strava app. If you haven't updated it recently, it's always a good idea to check the App Store to ensure you're using the latest version. Once you've opened the app, direct your attention to your profile picture. You'll typically find this in the top right corner of your screen. Tapping on your profile picture will take you into your personal area of the app, where you can access a variety of features related to your account. Next, navigate to the settings. In the settings menu, you'll find a host of options designed to customize your Strava experience. For our purpose, look for the option labeled Manage Apps and Devices. This is where Strava allows you to control the external devices and apps that integrate with your account. Once you're there, you'll see the option to connect a new device to Strava. Selecting this option will kick off the process of adding a new device. This is your gateway to linking fitness devices like a Fitbit, Garmin, or Apple Watch directly with your Strava profile. Upon selecting to connect a new device, you'll be prompted to choose the specific one from a list provided by Strava. If your device isn't automatically listed, ensure it's compatible by checking the manufacturer's guidelines and that it's within range and powered on. After selecting your device, Strava will guide you through a few on-screen instructions. These steps are essential as they typically include authorizing the connection and confirming permissions. This ensures that all your tracker data will seamlessly flow into your Strava account. During this part of the process, it's crucial to pay attention to the permissions you're granting. These will generally allow Strava to access activity data from your device, which is necessary for syncing. If you encounter any issues here, a quick restart of both devices or a check on internet connectivity can often resolve them. And there you have it. Following these steps will successfully connect your device to the Strava app, opening up a whole new world of tracking possibilities. This connection allows your workouts to be automatically uploaded to Strava, where you can review, analyze, and share your fitness journey with friends and the Strava community. Happy tracking!